Today I'm going to teach you how to install this ultra pulley attachment using a pulley bracket onto the Vernier Dynamics car and track system. So in terms of the pulley bracket, it usually comes with these items. So there's like a plastic holder, and then there's a more metal holder with this oblong nut, as well as 2 screws. So what you're going to need is the shorter screw as well as the more metal and vertical attachment piece with the oblong nut. These other 2 pieces you will not need for this installment. And then the other thing you'll need is obviously the ultra pulley attachment. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and loosen this oblong metal nut from this screw. This is meant to help you secure this piece onto the track itself. So that's the first thing you're gonna do, and then go ahead and face it so that the oblong metal nut is face downward, and you're going to want to slip it into this middle part of the track until it's secured, and then you just go ahead and rotate until it is tightened onto the track. So what you want to do next is attach the ultra pulley attachment using this short screw into this part of the attachment that's currently secured onto your vernier track. So how you're going to do that is, if you notice on the back of the ultra pulley attachment, there is a space for the screw to be inserted. So that's basically what you want to do, is you just secure the attachment into this piece of your bracket using the screw, and just make sure it's nice and tightened, and then you're done. Now let's say that you want to go ahead and detach this whole thing from the track and you want to set up a different experiment. It's really easy, you just undo all the steps that we did. So first you loosen the attachment piece, the ultra pulley attachment, from your bracket, and remove the screw, just like that. That piece is done. And then you finally just unscrew the bracket from the track. And that's it.